Welcome back to Mr. English Lab. Today's lesson is a fun and useful daily life conversation. You stepped on my foot. Let's learn natural English expressions used when accidents happen in public. Ouch! You stepped on my foot.
Oh no, I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
Are you all right now?
Yes, it's fine. Just be careful next time.
Absolutely. Thanks for being so understanding.
These things happen. Let's learn some important phrases from the conversation. 1. You stepped on my foot, used when someone accidentally hurts you by stepping on your foot. 2. I'm really sorry. A polite and strong apology. 3. I didn't see you. Explains the accident without sounding rude. 4. Are you all right? A caring, polite question to check the other person's condition. 5. Be careful next time. A soft way to remind someone. 6. These things happen. Used to end the situation politely.
Hey, I just wanted to check again.
Yes, it's much better now.
Really bad.
Don't worry, it was an accident.
Next time I'll watch where I walk.
Next time, I'll stand farther away from the crowd. In English, tone matters. Accidents are normal, but your body language and polite words make the situation better. Use a calm voice. Simple apologies, kind questions like, "Are you okay?" These small expressions show good manners. Great job! You learned how to handle accident situations politely in English. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Lab for more real-life English conversations.